Hello, artists. Today's picture is going to be inspired by the work of Britto. He is a Brazilian artist that is known for his bright colors and patterns. He's considered a pop artist. So we're going to start with some leaves in our picture today because we're going to do some fall artwork. Now, if you have trouble with leaves, the easiest one to make is an oval. So you make your oval and then you draw a line with a stem. Make sure you don't make the stem too thick because you do not want it to look like a tree trunk or branch is coming out of your leaf. That one was pretty easy. Now, I'm making these leaves kind of all over the place, and I don't want them to be in a straight line, all facing the same direction. So to help me with that, I twist my paper a little bit each time I draw. Now the next leaf I'm going to draw is going to start like an oval, but then it's going to go to a point, like a raindrop. We draw the line for the stem, add some veins. Now, if you look at leaves closely, they have a lot of veins, but we don't want to overdo it because sometimes it starts looking a little messy on our paper. So less is more for the veins on your leaf. Next, we're going to make a football-shaped leaf. And we start with a sad face. Woo-hoo-hoo. And then we add a happy face. Yay! And that makes a nice football shape. It's kind of the shape we use for an eye as well. Add the stem and the veins. Next, I'm going to make a heart. Now, a lot of times kids want to put the stem coming out of the bottom part of the heart, but it should come out of the top part of the heart, like this. Got space for one more, and I call this the jumping gingerbread man. It's an oak leaf. So I make the gingerbread man's head, make an arm here, make an arm here. It looks like he's cheering, yay! Make a leg, make another leg. It's like he's doing a split. Maybe he's jumping on the trampoline. Then we make the line for the stem, make the veins, like that. So there we have filled up our page with different kind of leaves. Now, to make this more like Britto's work, we're going to add some lines. Have you ever seen stained glass windows? Some of his work kind of has that feel to it because he uses heavy black lines. And often stained glass has heavy black lines as well. There we go. You don't want to make too many. Now, his work is known for its bright, colorful patterns. So what you want to do is take a light color and a darker color. So yellow is my lighter color and orange is a little bit darker. I'm going to color my leaf yellow first. Not pushing too hard because I'm going to put another color on top of it. And if I push too hard, what happens is there's too much wax on the paper, because that's what crayons are made out of, is a waxy stuff. If it has too much wax, then another color is not going to go on top of it very easily. So I don't push super hard. And then I come back. I'm going to make some spots, so it'll be like a polka dot leaf. Right? That's pretty good. And we want to try to do each leaf a little bit different. So I'm going to take a bluey green color, and I'm not pushing very hard. I'm keeping it very light. With crowns, we can get light values and dark values. So if I push a little bit harder, it's going to be darker, and if I push really hard, it's going to be real dark. If you push too hard, you'll break your crown. Don't do that. With markers, it's hard to get different values because they just kind of put down the same amount of color. But with crayons and colored pencils, you can change the value and make them light and dark. Oh, I started making more polka dots. I wasn't going to make polka dots. Here, let's change that then. I'm going to make a big wavy line on my leaf instead. So I'm putting purple over top of blue because purple is a little bit darker and it will color on top of my blue. So I'm going to make a wavy line. So you want to try to do a little bit of a different pattern on each of your leaves, and then you're going to color the background as well. Try not to get the same exact color that's the leaf that's over top of it, okay? Try to change the color up so you don't want it to blend in together. But you're going to color the whole picture, no white left. And when it's all finished, it's going to look like this. Isn't that cool? This is a great picture to hang up on your refrigerator, or if you have a special place in your house that you can hang up artwork, this would be a great picture to hang up. And it will be awesome from now until after Thanksgiving, because fall lasts a long time. All right? Happy creating, everybody. Bye-bye.